Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. So, in today's video, we are going to see how to attempt the CCT practice exam online. Okay, so what is CCT? It is creative and critical thinking. Okay, this test basically checks how creatively and how critically you can think. It is basically to improve your thinking skills. Okay, so this is the seventh test in this category. So, what are the salient features? This test is compulsory for all the students from class 7th to 12th. It is an online test. Okay. Last date is 10 of this month. All the questions are objective type. You have to attempt it on the website pisa.sheshgun.gov.in/cct. The user ID and password will be given by your class teacher in 1 or 2 days. Okay. So children, already you have attempted the previous tests of CCT. Okay, we also call it as PISA test. So you remember that PISA 6 was sent to you by WhatsApp. Similarly, this question paper also you will download from the website. Okay, the procedure, entire procedure I will tell you. Your class teacher will give you a user ID. User ID and password initially both are same. Okay, so what you will do, you will enter the username here, that number. Okay, and the password, that same number you will type here again, and you will click on the login. Okay, once you click on login, it will take you to this page. Okay, here you have to enter the new password 2 times, then your email address, and you will check the mobile number which is coming here. If the mobile number is correct, it is okay, otherwise you can change the mobile number. All the 4 options you have to fill, and this new password please note somewhere, because it will be very difficult to change the password. Okay, as we have seen in the case of G Suite, nearly 30% students forgot their passwords. Okay, but here it will be very difficult because it is a time bound program, right? So you will click on submit. Again, once you click on submit, you will come back to the same page for login. Okay, children, as soon as you receive the user ID and password, immediately you should change. Okay, then with that change username and password, you will log in. Now, after login, we come to this page. So from this page, we have to click on the option of question paper. The question paper has come. Okay, so now what we will do, I will show you for CCT 6. The same thing is applicable for CCT 7. Okay, so we'll click on CCT 6, this question paper. Now the question paper will download. Okay, so this question paper we will solve in our notebook, and we will mark the answers as 1 ABCD, 2 ABCD, like that. So like this is question number 1. So what is the correct option, whether A, B, C or D, which one is there, that we will write down in our notebook. Okay, if we don't want to attempt any question, then we have to give N. Then once again, when our question paper is completed, we will go back to this page. Okay, and we will click on CCT test. So now the page has loaded. Okay, now we will select the academic year 2020-21. Then we will wait for a while. The page will again load, and then we will choose which CCT we want to mark. Okay, so now CCT 6. Then we will wait for a while. It will load. Okay, so now it has given. What you have to do, you have to complete the, you have to enter ABCD for answers or N for no option. Okay, so this complete you have to fill. and once you are filled, you have to click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, whatever the data you have entered is saved, okay, but it is not yet evaluated, it is only saved, okay. It will be evaluated once you click on the lock button. Remember, if you have clicked on submit, it will only save, okay. If you want to change any answer, that answer you can change, okay. But once you lock, means the process is over, you will get how many marks you have scored, okay. So once again I am repeating for you what you have to do. First, we will open the question paper, okay. We will solve the question paper in our notebook. After completing in the notebook, we will go to CCT test, okay. There we will select academic year and CCT question paper, which one we are attempting, and after that we will enter the ABCD options, right. After entering ABCD options, we will click on submit. After submitting, it will only save. If at all we want to change any answer, we can change it, okay. And then finally we will click on the lock. Once we click on the lock, no more changes can be done. It will be evaluated and you will get the result, okay. So that is the complete procedure. I hope you have understood. So please attempt the question paper before 10th. Everyone is supposed to submit, okay. For any technical help, you can call your class teacher, okay students. Thank you very much.